Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to create a realistic product mockup for your brand, and it just turned into hours of frustration? You open complicated design software, watch endless tutorials, tweak layers you don't understand, and in the end, it still doesn't look professional. Yeah, same here. Now imagine this. What if you could turn your simple logo into a stunning, realistic 3D product mockup in under 60 seconds without using any complicated tools? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. In this video, we're talking about how to design realistic digital 3D product mockups using ClawBrand AI, and why this might completely change the way you create brand visuals. So let's get into it. First, here's the problem. Creating high-quality mockups traditionally requires tools like Photoshop or 3D software. And let's be honest, those tools are powerful, but they're not beginner-friendly. You either spend weeks learning them, or you end up hiring freelancers, which can get expensive really fast. And even then, revisions take time. This is where ClawBrand AI comes in. ClawBrand AI is an AI-powered platform that helps you generate professional, photorealistic mockups instantly. Instead of designing everything from scratch, you're basically letting AI handle the heavy lifting for you. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. You upload your logo. That's it. No complicated setup. No design skills needed. Step 2. You choose your scene or template. Want a product box? A t-shirt? A bottle? A phone screen? You just pick the style that fits your brand. Step 3. You click Generate. And within seconds, you get a high-quality, realistic mockup that looks like it came from a professional design studio. Now, here's where it gets interesting. ClawBrand AI doesn't just generate random images. It uses a coordinated system. Think of it like a mini AI design team working together behind the scenes. One part handles layout, another handles lighting, another focuses on realism and textures. The result? Your brand looks consistent across different products. Everything feels polished, aligned, and actually usable for marketing. And if you're building a business, this is huge, because visuals matter. Whether you're selling physical products, digital products, or just growing your brand online, people judge your brand in seconds based on how it looks. With ClawBrand AI, you can create product packaging mockups, merch designs like t-shirts and hoodies, app and device previews, social media promotional visuals, even book covers and branding assets, all without touching complicated design software. Another feature I really like is the asset library. Once you generate your mockups, you can save and organize everything in one place. So instead of starting from scratch every time, you build your own visual brand system over time. There's also one-click background removal, which makes it super easy to reuse your designs across different platforms. Now, let's talk about speed. What used to take hours or even days can now be done in minutes. And that means you can test more ideas, launch faster, and stay ahead of your competition. But let me be real with you for a second. This doesn't replace creativity. It's still important to have a clear brand identity, your colors, your message, your audience. What ClawBrand AI does is take your idea and turn it into something visual, fast. So if you've been stuck trying to make your brand look professional, this is a solid shortcut. All right, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. And if you're curious to try ClawBrand AI for yourself, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.